Hi, this is Brittany with Followup CRM. We're going to quickly run through our new feature, and it is an automated scheduled reporting feature. It's going to save you a ton of time. It's going to send any report you'd like straight to your email. You schedule the time, you forget about it, it shows up in your email. So what you do is you go to the reports page, and then you can select any report you'd like to get reoccurring in your email. Select the date range. We can do the last 30 days for this one, and then you're going to press the schedule button. I'm going to write the title of the report, add my email, I'm going to schedule the frequency. So I want to get this report daily. And then I'm going to schedule a time. And I would like to have this in a PDF format. You can also select it in an Excel format. I press schedule report email. I get a little message that the report has been scheduled. And then when the time comes, I'm going to go to my email. And then here it is. You can download the report right from your email and see all the information that way. So just a couple clicks and it's scheduled. It's one thing you don't have to think about. Thanks for watching.